Do you want to install, update, and uninstall any software through the command line in seconds? Stick around. I'll show you how to do that. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today is going to be an exciting episode because we're going to be installing any software you want in seconds through the command line with a Windows package manager called WinGet. To see if you have WinGet, just type in WinGet. Easy as enough. This will show up. Pretty much the content of WinGet. If you don't have WinGet, I'll have the link in the description down below, and you can go to the website and download WinGet. All right, so let's get started. And yes, WinGet will actually scan your current software as well that you have installed on your machine. So first things first, we're going to search the repository, which is all the software that you can install with WinGet. So to do that, you can go WinGet, search -Q for query, and let's say Brave, which is the Brave browser. Hit enter. And what we're going to be concentrating on is the source of WinGet. So you have all of these Brave software. What we're going to be concentrating on is the first one, which is brave.brave, which is the IDE. To install it, we're going to install in Brave. To install it, we'll go WinGet install -ID, and then the ID, which is brave.brave. It's going to fetch the installer package, and it's just going to install it for you. Okay, so now that the software is installed, let's see the list of software on your machine. To do that, you go WinGet space list. So this is all your software installed on your machine. So here we'll see that Brave is right here that we installed. All right, so now next I'm going to show you how to update all your software all at once. Okay, so to see what software is available for updating, all you gotta do is WinGet space upgrade, and it'll list all your software that you need to update. Here is your version, current version, say with me Streamlabs, and the available version of Streamlabs. And to update it, all you got to do is go so let's, for example, let's update and we'll go Microsoft Teams. There we go. So now it's successfully installed. I have Teams open, so it wants me to restart the application to complete the upgrade. Now what you can do is you can upgrade all your software at once, and the command to that is WinGet upgrade -all. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to upgrade all my software right now. That's the command to do that. Next, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a software. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to uninstall software. So we're going to go WinGet space list. So we're going to check the list what we have to uninstall. So let's uninstall the Brother I Print and Scan. So you have to remember the ID. So it's brother.iPrintScan. So we're going to go WinGet space uninstall -ID brother iPrint scan. So it is going to launch the uninstaller. Sometimes with some software, you're going to have to hit next to uninstall the software. Some of them, it'll just uninstall it on its own. Okay, so it's successfully uninstalled. If you want more episodes like this, subscribe, turn your bell notification on, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.